Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Dara Education Project video tutorial series of Android programming. And today we will discuss the third part of the calculator program. And in this program, we will create some mathematical functions like sine, cosine, and something else. So first of all, I will told you one thing that I will not discuss in the session number 2 because it was almost very lengthy. So one thing is very clear: if you will press 23 and press something 36 and press equal, and once again if you will try to add then something number, then the remaining value will store here. So first of all you need to clear this number and that's why I think the number was stored in numbers, so you need to clear it. Numbers is equal to like this. Okay, so once again I am going to build the Gradle, and first of all I will make a clear button, something else. So we should go for that and check out. This is the button, and on click clear button, I thought clear button function. So mostly the students was in trouble that they are changing the different names and using the different names, so be careful about that and just go for that. I think Gradle was built, and go for that. If you will press 23 divided by 6 and equal to this one, and then if you press it with what I thought numbers, okay, 65 minus 30, 62, and if I still the value is not changing. I think we need to change the total number is equal to this one. Don't need this one to change it. Okay, wait for the Gradle build. Press 3 divided by 6 equal this, and now I press 4, it's working. Now the next function is the clear method, and it's very simple: the public void and then use this one view and view, and I don't need anything to change it. Just go for the display screen because I want to set the text of the screen into double quotes. It means whenever I will press the clear button, it will clear the whole screen, and you can change it with something like this. Okay, this one. Okay. Because if I will press this one, then even the 0 will be changed. Okay, if I want to press 366 and then click the clear button, then it will clear the screen. But since I change it to 0, then if you will run the Gradle once again, then you will press the button and 0 will be shown on that. Now if I want to make some more buttons here, and this one is something like sine, cos, and tangent. For this thing I thought what is my activity main, and I am just using 0 and under the 0. So first of all I will use this button here and create some methods. Copy it and just paste it. Wrap content, Android text, sign, and use the method on button. I thought math is there. On button math, we will use the same on click path. On click math. So we change it to on click math. This is a clear button, This is the sign button, and I'm using on click math is here, and change the color into 0 F1 F2 20, something like this. Now check the design method. You can see that this is the sign is here, so just change Android below button 0. Button 0 and name it the ID button sign is here. Sign is here. And use this method below button sign. First of all, we will change it button sign, and button sign is here. Sign and the button below at the end of I thought it will not use here, and go for the design. Then you can see the sign is on his place. So similarly, we will create something more button sign, cause and tangent here, just for the sake of information. Sign, cause, and this will be the name of cause here, and on click method here, check the design method, place it here. I think design to end of button similarly we will create tangent button tangent and use the same one, button 0 Android layout to end of ID button cause. I thought it will be on his position. Okay, and the last one is, I thought log is there. So first of all, we will create a button log and Android layout to end of ID button tangent. So our look was completed. Now we will go for the mathematical work, and since we already make the button of the on sign is here, so button click math automatically get sign, tangent, cause, whatsoever. Now we will just only change this method case is here, so change it case into sign is here to colons, and use a result is here is equal to. Now I will use the math dot sign and use the value of variable number 1. Break. But there is one problem, because sine, cos, tangent, everyone take only one value, so we don't need to go for the equal sign is there. So first of all, I will check and then told you what is the difference between this logic and that one. Okay, this is our layout. If we go for 36 and this one is there, and then I will click the sign button, that you can see that it will remove and the database not display. It will not display the data until you will not press equal, and if you will press equal, then unfortunately this problem was occurred because you did not even get the second values there. So it's not a better choice to use a sign something like here. So what will be the next? So we will make a new method, and in that method we will change this situation. on click method math function. On click math function, this one log is here, this is the tangent method is here, this will be the change of cosine is here, and the last one is the sine button is here on click math function. So first of all I will go for that and create a new method, public void, and just I will go for the button, my math button is equal to button and get the value. Okay, so I will take already I am taking the math sign is here, math sign is equal to my math button dot get text dot to string. Now I will use a switch case here, switch and use math sign is here and use case if it will sign is here, then result is equal to math dot sign, and here I will place only variable number 1 and just go for break statement here, and after that I will use display screen dot set text to result, and after that I will use to total number is equal to blank. Now I will run this program.